Good evening, I am Rini Gupta, Tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's Tech News, Intel says it will sack 18,000 staff, cut $20 billion in expensive. Dell Latitude 7455 Copilot Plus AI laptops launched in India. Motorola launches the world's slimmest IP68ml STD810H military-grade certified durable smartphone. Google Circles to Search come to Chrome, rebranded as Search with the Google Lens. Microsoft now sees OpenAI as a tech reveal just like Apple and Google. Google releases new OpenAI models with focus on safety. Samsung unveils two new security features for Galaxy device and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you to name the latest feature of X, and the answer is the ability to post longer posts and audio video calling feature. It times to our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: what is the new LinkedIn update? Think you know the answer. We want to hear from you. Leave the guess in the comment below this video. We'll reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned to see if you got it right. Good luck, tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to comment with the answer. Intel announced plans to cut over 15% of its workforce, translating to about 18,000 positions. The layoffs are a part of a broader strategy to reduce expenses by approximately $20 billion. This decision follows a disappointing financial performance, with Intel reporting a $1.6 billion loss in the recent quarter. The company cited headwinds in ramping up its AI PCs products and unused capacity of its facilities and contributing factors. Intel had previously halted the expansion of a major factory project in Israel. Worth $15 million, the company emphasized the need to adapt to changing business conditions, market dynamics, and responsible capital management. Dell launched the enterprise-oriented Latitude 7455 laptop in India of August 1. The laptop is based on Windows 11 on ARM and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite platform. Aimed at businesses, users, and professionals, the laptop is a part of the first wave of devices based on Microsoft Copilot Plus platform. It priced starting rupees 1,59,990 and will be available exclusively for a business and users. The Dell Latitude 7455 is offered in a Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus configuration. It boosts up to 22 hours of battery life and support AI features through the Copilot Plus platform. Co-creator users can create AI-generated images using descriptive words and brushstrokes, live captions, translate any live or a pre-recorded audio from 44 languages to English. Windows Studio Effects adjusts lighting and offers creative filters to enhance video calls and experiences. Motorola launched the Motorola Edge 50 touted as the world's slimmest IP68ml STD810H military-grade certified durable smartphone. The phone has passed 16 rigorous tests of durability in the extreme environmental conditions. It features IP68 underwater protection, making it highly durable under harsh conditions. The Edge 50 boasts a nearly borderline 6.7-inch OLED 3D curved display with 10-bit colors, 120Hz refresh rate, and 16,000 nits peak brightness. It features a segment-leading AI camera with the Sony LY-TIA700C sensor and Moto AI capabilities. Includes a wireless charging, a telephoto lens with a 30x hybrid zoom, and Smart Connect. Google expanding its Circle to Search feature, initially launched on Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphone, to Chrome OS and the Chrome browser. This feature has been rebranded as a Search with the Google Lens. Currently, the functionality is limited to a beta version of Chrome OS 127 and Chrome 128 for Windows and Mac OS. Once these beta version transition is a stable channel, Search with the Google Lens will become widely accessible to all Chrome users. Users can access Search with the Google Lens from the three-dot menu. They can select any area on their screen to trigger an instant search. The result displayed in a side panel, the Google Lens icon in the address bar to provide the same functionality. Microsoft has heavily invested in OpenAI, the maker of ChatGPT, with a reported a $13 billion investment. Despite this investment, Microsoft now views OpenAI as a reveal similar to Apple, Google, Amazon, and Meta. The relationship fit is due to OpenAI's recent industry moves, including the debut of its AI-powered search. This has prompted Microsoft to re-evaluate the partnership with OpenAI, as detailed in the latest annual report. Microsoft had first right to ChatGPT and its feature due to its investment in OpenAI. However, OpenAI's collaboration with the competitors like Apple, which now gets ChatGPT 4 in Macs before a Windows system, has altered their strategic alignment. Despite this competitive stance, there remains mutual administration and respect between Microsoft and OpenAI. Google has released three new OpenAI generative AI models, Gima 2B, Shield Gima, and Gima Scope. These models are tutored with a safer, smaller, and a more transparent than most exciting models. Gima 2B as a lightweight model for next generation and analysis, compatible with a range of hardware including laptops and edge devices. Shield Schema, a collection of a safety classifier designed to detect toxicity such as the hate speech, harassment, and explicit content. Schema Scope allows a developer to analyze specific points with the Schema 2 model for better interpretability of its process. The Schema series is a distance from a Google's Gemini models, with the latter not having its source or code available to the public. Schema aims to foster goodwill within the developer community, similar to the Meta's approach with the LAM. Samsung has introduced two new security features, Quick Share Private Sharing and Samsung Cloud Enhanced Data Protection. This new mode with the Quick Share allows users to share up to 20 files with a maximum limit of 200 MB. Users can set expiration timers and control who can view and access these lines. Files shared are in a read-only mode, preventing screenshot and further sharing. Using blockchain-based encryption technology, starting with the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung offers end-to-end encryption for all backups and sync data. Data stored in a Samsung cloud can only be decrypted on a Samsung devices, ensuring security even if the server is compromised. As we wrap up today's tech journey, this is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all tech updates.